Seeds on sale at Tractor Supply Store. Grow your garden for less. Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're coming back, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys that you can get some seeds at discount here at the door. And save some dollars at the Tractor Supply Store. So I'm here at the Tractor Supply Store, and they have seeds at 25% off. These are burpee seeds. As you can see, they have a good selection of seeds. So the seeds that were $1.99 are now $1.49. So they have a good selection of seeds over here, and you can get your seeds and start your seeds and get them cheaper. So if you can get them cheaper, why not, right? So they have a good selection. You can see I'm going to take you through most of the stuff that they have over here. You can see the selection of seeds that they have. You're saving 25% off all the seeds that you get from them, which is really good in terms of saving on the seeds that you're buying. So they have a good selection of seeds. They have vegetable seeds. That's what I'm showing you right now. You see tomatoes, you see peppers, you see pumpkin, beets, carrots, and so many different leafy vegetables and squash and other stuff. So definitely they have a good selection. If you live around Tractor Supply Store, check it out and see if you can if they have the same thing over there, and if they have the same good selection that you have that we have over here. So check those out and see if you can find some good seeds that you're looking for. Might be able to get them, especially if you're looking for seeds. You want to start looking for them early enough so that way you get as much selection as possible, because later on, once everybody starts their seeds and everybody buys, you're not gonna get the same amount of selection as in the beginning. I will put a link so that you can get another selection of seeds that you can get. I'll either put it down or put it on the side. So check out that link. You might be able to get some good seeds, good varieties over there too. I'll put the link over there. Also, let me know in the comments below if you are shopping for seeds right now, and with areas where you shop for your seeds, and so that way at least everybody else might be able to know where to get seeds. So most often I try to save as much of my seed as possible from the previous years, but sometimes if you don't have it, you have to shop around for some particular seeds. So definitely check out the links that I'm gonna put, that you can at least help you get some seeds. I know there are other places online and other catalogs that you're able to get some seeds. So hopefully that helps you out. So like over here they have more of the seeds. You have okra over here. You have onions. You have squash and other stuff over here. So I'll take you guys to the other side in a minute or two, so that I'll show you what other stuff that they have over there, and hopefully you're able to see the selection and see the stuff that they have over here. So I'm sure they're doing this to try to see if they can sell as many of these as possible, because I've gone to other areas and other stores, and all of them they have burpee seeds, but they don't have it on sale. So it's just this store that has this just Tractor Supply that has this on sale right now, because Home Depot, Walmart, or Lowe's don't have any seeds on sale. So if you're looking for seeds, that's the place you can go to see if you can get a good selection of seeds, and then you'll be able to get what you want. So here is the other rack that has herbs and flowers over here. Same thing, 25% off. You have cilantro, have lavender, and some other right over here. Same thing, green beans, even the lash packs over here. You have flowers over here. Still the same thing, 25% off. And organic seeds over here. You also have these large packs over here. These are big packs that if you intend to grow a lot of a particular thing like corn or beans, then you want to get a big pack like this. And they have a couple of selections of different items down here with different sizes of this big pack of seeds that you can get. I think this would be probably for somebody that has a huge area they want to plant, and if they want to plant a lot of a particular item, then yeah, this is something you get, a huge pack like this. Or if you're gonna share with friends or family. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.